Have you ever walked into a room and felt completely invisible? Like, no matter how much you smile, how careful you dress, or how hard you try to say the right thing, you still felt like an outsider looking through the glass. If that resonates with you, you are not broken, you are not weird, you are simply doing something that millions of people do every single day. You are fighting to fit in. And today, we are going to talk about why that fight, no matter how hard you try, can never give you what you are really looking for. Because what you are really looking for is belonging. And those two things, they are not same. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. This is a space where we use philosophy not as something dusty and academic, but as a real living tools to help us understand ourselves and the world around us. Today's topic is one that touches every single human being on this planet, regardless of age, culture, or background. Stop fighting in, start belonging. We are going to explore what timeless philosophical wisdom has to say about human connection, identity, and the courage it takes to truly belong somewhere. By the end of this video, my hope is that something inside you shift, not just in the thinking, but in how you show up in your life. Let's go deeply. Part 1. The difference between fitting in and belonging. Let's start with the most important question. What is the actual difference between fitting in and belonging? At first glance, they might seem like the same thing, but they are fundamentally opposite. Fitting in says, I need to change who I am so that you will accept me. Belonging says, I am fully myself and I am welcome here because of it. One is a performance, the other is a homecoming. Think about it this way. Imagine you are wearing a costume. Every time you go out, you dress it up, you play the part, you edit your word, you soften your opinion. And people seem to like you. They include you. They invite you places. But here's the question. Do they like you? Or do they like your costume? Philosophy has wrestled with this for centuries. What does it really mean to live as your authentic self? And the answer that keep coming back is this. The moment you become a performance for others, you lose the thread back to yourself. There is also this timeline's philosophical insight. You cannot control how others see you, but you have complete authority over who you choose to be. Fitting in so that authority. Belonging, we claim it. Part 2. Why we fight so hard to fit in. Hello, why do we keep doing this? Because the fear behind it is very real. Human beings are at our core social creatures. Thinkers across centuries have observed that we have a fundamental need to be part of a group, to be seen, to be included, and the pain of rejection, it activates the same part of our brain as physical pain. That's not metaphor, that's biology. When we fight to fit in, we are not being weak or shallow. We are responding to the one of the deepest drive in human nature, the need to belong. Across many traditions agrees on this. We need each other. That need is secret. But here is where it gets complicated when distort ourselves in order to be accepted. We don't actually satisfy that need. We create counterfeit version of belonging. And the counterfeit never satisfied. You can be surrounded by people and still feel profoundly alone. If none of them know the real you, that loneliness is one of that most painful human experience there is. Part 3. Philosophical. No. So what does true belonging actually looks like. Philosophical wisdom tells us that belonging begins with something radical. Belonging to yourself first before you can truly belong anywhere else. In a friendship, a community, a relationship, you have to be at home inside your own skin. This idea of self-possession, that your inner world is yours and it is the found upon which everything else is built, run through centuries of human thought. When you are self-possessed, you stop needing external approval to feel real. You stop editing yourself to fit the room. You stop performing, and something extraordinary begins to happen the right way. People start finding you because here is the beautiful philosophical truth. Authenticity is a signal. When you show up as yourself, fully, honestly, and even imperfectly, you send out frequency that resonate with people who are meant to be in your life. The masks we wear to fit in don't just hide us from others. They hide us from us, and they repair the very connection we most deeply crave. Philosophy reminds us that radical authenticity, the courage to exist on your own terms, even in the face of social pressure, means that belonging is not something that happens to you. It is something you create by daring to be we. It is an act of bravery. And bravery is not the absence of fear. It is action in spite of fear. Part 4, how to start belonging. So how do we actually make this shift in our daily life? Here are 3 philosophy principles to carry with you. Principle 1, know thyself. One of the oldest instruction in all of human wisdom. Before you can belong anywhere, you need to know who you are. What do you actually value? What do you genuinely enjoy? What kind of people make you feel more yourself rather than less? Start there. Principle 2, release the approval addiction. Remind yourself daily, the opinion of others are outside your control. You can't be kind, honest, and present, but you cannot force anyone to approve of you. And you don't need them to. Your value is not a vote, it is a fact. Principle 3, choose depth over weight. True belonging doesn't require a crowd, it requires real connection. One friendship where you are fully known is worth more than 100 connection where you are actually seen. Seek depth, invest in realness. So here is what I want to leave you with today. You have spent enough time fighting to say the right thing, fighting to look the right way, fighting to make people comfortable with your presence. You were not made to be tolerated. You were made to belong. And belonging, re-belonging, begins the moment you stop apologizing for who you are. The wisdom that has been passed down through human history across different cultures, different centuries, different traditions, all arrive at the same quiet truth. The most radical thing a human being can do is simply and fully be themselves. That is where belonging lives. Not out there in someone else's approval. No, right here inside the courage to show up as you. If this video spoke to you, something inside you, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Every week we go deep into philosophy to help you live better, think clearer, and connect more meaningfully. And if you know if you know someone who is struggling to fit in right now, share this video with them. It might be exactly what they need to hear today. I will see you in the next one. Take good care of yourself. And remember, you already belong. Thank you.